Hello everyone, and welcome back. I know it's been just a little bit since I was last here. It's been quite a few months, but hopefully we can normalize the schedule and get some more videos out soon. It's been a wild past few months, but anyways, as you can see I have some new models on the shelf. It's the New York and San Francisco. Those are kind of cool. Either way, today we're going to be talking about the Airpods Pro right there. And I know these came out just a while ago, but I just barely got them, and I thought it'd be cool to make a video on them. So, take my own take, even though all the other people have done it. Maybe you'll see something different when I do it. But, as always, with packaging, it's pretty good looking. It's really solid and feels nice. Just knows you're getting a quality product. And, plop, 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 plop. Okay, I'll just pull it off. So that just comes off right there. I'm going to set that off to the side. And you always get the design by Apple in California. And that's just your little packet of information. Kind of tells you what's going on. It says Airpods Pro, license stuff. Tells you all about it like that. And just some warnings and information. And then you end up with the Airpods, which come out like that, and just peel off. You don't have to use any scissors or anything to cut them out, and then you can either just slide them out like that and throw the wrapper away. Now it's a little bit different than the other AirPods. Obviously they're longer, but I've held them up to other AirPods and they're just actually, you wouldn't really notice the difference because they're almost identical. It's just basically the way they open up. And as always, when you open it up and put it near your phone, the thing will pop up and it's just easy connection from there. But it's kind of hard at first when you get them to figure out how to pull them out. Like you're trying to pull them up straight up, which actually isn't the correct way to do it. I just learned is you're supposed to put your finger here and then push from behind and it twists right into your thumb. You can just plop it in like that. Connect to your phone and you're good to go. So as always, you get the sound quality of AirPods on this. I feel like it's a little bit better than the original AirPods and AirPods 2, but not much. They do get really loud, but the noise cancellation is probably the biggest new thing on these. And it's kind of what you would expect for being in this small package, you know. It's not going to be as good as over-ear headphones, but still really amazing, because I haven't actually owned a pair of noise-canceling headphones before these, and when I tried these on, it's just amazing. Like, if you're in a car or something and you don't want to be hearing, like, the humming of the wheels in the road, it works really well to just cancel that out so you can just listen to music. And the transparency mode on these is actually really good, too, so you can be listening to your music while talking to someone and having a normal conversation. It works really well, and it's kind of just a cool feature they added in there. They also have another mode called off, and when you turn them off, it just kind of, everything goes muffled. It's just kind of like having normal AirPods in your ear, but it doesn't really save battery or anything, maybe 30 minutes. It's just not that big of a difference or deal. So I just leave noise canceling or transparency on the whole time, so you can use those. Overall, the charging, and it's pretty quick. It doesn't take that long, just about the same as other AirPods, and other than that, they're just pretty fun to have. So small, like they can fit in your pocket and you won't even notice. You'll forget they're there. You can put it by your phone, and they have the wireless charging case built in, so you don't have the option to buy a non-wireless charging case. So yeah, you're going to pay the full $250 to get everything. There's no cheaper version, but you will get everything when you pay the $250. So you can wireless charge, noise canceling, has the port on the bottom, and overall they're just really great to just have for quick and easy listening. They don't come out of your ear at all, so if you really wanted to, you could use them on runs or jogs. I wouldn't really recommend them for like playing basketball or a really high, what do you call it, movement sport or something, because although they are like in your ear, they kind of do move around a little bit and they could fall out. It's happened to me before, but if you're going to be using headphones for that, I'd just recommend like the Airpods Pro or something like that Apple also makes. So Other than that, in the box we have some more stuff. You just take this out and you get your Lightning to USB-C cable in here. It's nice that they finally started including these because all of the Macs and iPads have USB-C now, and you can't really connect your phone to them anymore unless you have one of these cords. So it's nice that they include those. It doesn't come with a power brick, which is kind of disappointing, but it finally does come with some interchangeable ear tips. So that's another main difference they have with the normal AirPods, is that you can they actually have to have the seal between your ears for the noise canceling, so they have to have interchangeable ear tips. It comes with the medium ones pre-installed, and then the small and large ones here. I stick with the medium ones. I feel like the medium's the one size fits all, but if you have different ears, and these would probably work. They just kind of fit to your ear pretty well, and overall they're pretty comfy. I don't see any pain or thing after wearing them for a while. But they're just pretty sweet little sick AirPods if you want some to listen to when you're just moving around about the house or something and you don't want to wear big over-ear headphones or something like that. I wouldn't recommend them for flights because, you know, it's just so loud. The noise canceling doesn't do a lot for that. There's specific over-ear headphones you can get for that, but if this is your only option, definitely go for it. I think they're great, and thanks for joining me on this video. I know you guys want to see more about the Ben Eater computer I was building, so I will get back to you with a video on that very shortly, probably next week. I hope to have videos out every Friday now, and thanks for coming. If you want to check out my other channel, there's going to be a link up here, and at the end of the video there will also be a link to check out more videos and my other channel. So thanks for watching.